What is Ahmed XM doing on your page? That's what I don't even understand. If you have ever posted something and wondered why is nobody watching, then this episode will open your eye. This is roast and rescue. I take your videos, roast what is not working, and give you exactly what to do to make it better. If you want to be next, drop your page in the comment section. Today I'll be roasting 3 people. Ask Me Amin Collection, Baby and Mama, Kick Show Recipes. By just opening this account, I know there is wahala here. Oh. Hey, let's have a look.
God have mercy upon us.
Babu kaikai, babu ya kushi.
So what does this mean? You're the only person that can see the texture. Us that we are watching, we can't feel any texture. So what is this, for goodness sake? Lace, texture that you alone can only feel. Let's go to another video. See my shop. See my shop. Can you see my shop? Yeah, see my shop, guys. This is my shop. Yeah, see my shop. See my shop. Hey, this is my shop. Yeah, you can see. Yes, my shop. Honestly, people don't really care. Let's see.
Ina na tashi na ce bari ku ga in tashi in nuna na me yake. Location din mu a Kano yake. Opposite Nasarawa Hospital. Wannan shine asibitin Nasarawa. Kun ga gashi.
Yeah, now Google Maps. You decided to become Google Maps now. Let me show you how to walk to our office. You have now turned to Google Maps. What's the essence of Google Maps? What's the essence of Google Maps? Why not start from my own house or start from the next person's house? Then you now carry us to your shop when Google is there looking at you like, feel this one. Let's go to another post again. So, what is Ahmed XM doing on your page? That's what I don't even understand. What is Ahmed XM doing on your page? How is that elevating your business? Let me even... Barka, mashallah. Ahmed, waye tsakanin Ahmed yana burge ni yanda yake kame gidansa. Waiting concern you, concern gidansa. That I admire them the way he's taking care of his family. How does that help your business? Please tell me, I want to know. Use a personal page for that, not your business page. And so, hello. Let me. If I can't hit the screen, I'll hit the mic so that you feel it in your ear. Which kind of is this? Always showcasing the shoe, showcasing the shoe. So this one, are they going to your shop or what? I don't understand. This one, you want to be a blogger, you want to be everything, you want to be a business page, you want to sell stuff. Well, I know they finish you. You want to be this, you want to be that. So are you ready for corrections? First of all, the way I saw your page and the way you're creating content, it looks like you don't know who exactly your target audience are. Because if you know who your target audience are, you wouldn't be creating videos like this. Don't get me wrong, you have tried. You have tried. I like the voiceover, you showing the shoes and, talking about 1 or 2 problems. But you are missing 1 or 2 things. First of all, you need to create more engaging content so that even if you are not ready to buy at that moment, we can still sit down, watch your content and learn 1 or 2 things from it. You can decide to have like a fashion makeover. Let me give you an example. You can decide to get a lady, dress her up, and give a scenario whereby that dressing would be very, very appealing. Let's say, for example, you can start your hook with, if you want people to find it very difficult to differentiate between you and the bride, come my sister, let me show you. Then you now dress up that person and say, okay, this is how people will be wowed by how the outcome is going to be. And if you want to get these items, we sell it at so and so. You can decide to give a scenario whereby, do you want to look like the governor's wife? If you want to look like the governor's wife and dress another lady up and show them, okay, if you wear this and wear this, people are going to think that you have more than 10 billion naira in your account and you can get all of these items from us. Then you can do a step-by-step, okay, we are going to use this. Okay, we are going to give her this shoe because this shoe is this. Different things. With that, you have something that is educative and also entertaining at the same time. Even if we are not ready to buy, we can still watch the videos. And right now, you're creating content like this is your website. Like it is an e-commerce website. You know, just showcasing all the time. And showcasing all the time will not bring engagement. And you know, with more engagement equals to more people seeing, equals to more people buying. So if you are not getting engagement, I hope with this little adjustment, you'll be able to create better videos. And when you do, tag me, I want to see that video so that I'll finish it. So next is baby and mama.
Set of 3 outfits for 31,500.
Are you guys twins? I'm seeing the same type of content. Showcasing. Who taught you? It's like I'm seeing a pattern here. Let's see. Showcasing.
3 stunning fabulous dresses for less than the price.
Showcasing and voiceover.
Hango wacha bra price in.
Showcasing.
Good morning, my customers.
Who taught you guys? You guys must have learned this in the same place. Because I'm noticing a pattern between the last one we checked. Showcase your product and do a voiceover. Who did you learn this from? Talk now. You're still looking at me. Oh yeah, type it now in the comment section. I want to see.
She will definitely be the star of the party. Moms of... It's the little... These shirts will have your boys being the stars of the class this year.
Seems like you guys are going to make my work very easy. Because this is the same problem as the last one. Showcase it, say something. Showcase it, say something. See guys, it's easy. Oh. You guys are trying, but you need more creativity, honestly. Because if I'm not willing to buy at that moment, then I'm not going to stop and watch. You have to be more creative. Oh. All I'm seeing here is
you know what's better than buying a product?
Showcasing.
Ita fa ergayu.
It's all showcasing at the end of the day. This is this, this is that, this is this, this is that. Because right now your page is looking like an e-commerce website. Look at the price, look at the product, look at the price, look at the product. It's looking like an e-commerce website, honestly. Because if I'm not willing to buy, nobody is going to watch. You're not going to get engagement on the page. You spend more money doing advert because that's the only way you can get customers. Because based on the type of engagement you'll be getting with this kind of posts, it won't take you to where you're planning on going. You have to use sponsored advert a lot, because that's the only way you can actually get people with this type of content. If you're to grow organically, you have to do more than this. You have to be more creative. You have to be more practical. You have to get out of your comfort zone to achieve, the kind of result you are looking for if you are doing it organically. If not, you spend a lot of money doing sponsored adverts. So you need to create value. You need to create value for people. You need to educate them, entertain them using your products. But if you have enough money to spend on sponsored advert, then go ahead. Just keep doing sponsored advert and target the buyers immediately. But with this is looking like showcasing and voiceover. So I hope this little advice is helpful. You just need to go out of your comfort zone and create something more creative. Next, we have Kikshaw recipes. I hope I pronounced the name right. If not, there's nothing you can do about it. I've already said it. So let's have a look at Kikshaw's page. Hey. Please don't tell me it's another showcasing and voiceover on top. Don't tell me it's another showcasing and voiceover on top. Let's see. Okay. What is this? I don't know. What is it used for? I don't know. Let's continue. Pictures.
Assalamu alaikum. Barkanmu da wannan lokaci. Let me.
Your own is worse too. Hey, her own is even worse than the rest. Showcasing and the voiceover. The beginning of your video, it is not for greetings. It is for hook. Capturing attention. Capturing what? Attention. Your own is even worse. Hey, no hook. Nothing. Plus you're just showcasing. And again, you're doing well with your voiceover. Image quality is very nice. Lighting is very nice. This your content needs vlogging.
Brand ɗin da saka mai da hankali wajen kawo muku ingantattun spice blends.
access card participant. Okay. Picture. It's like it's just pictures. So
Ina fatan ba dai har
pictures. Food. Nothing. No, this is your e-commerce website. Instagram is your e-commerce website. Let me see. How many followers do you have? No wonder. I'm not surprised. You're even lucky to even have 797. How? How do you expect to say later? No, I don't know why Instagram is not pushing my content. They will not push it. Just pictures. I don't even know what this is. Okay, ginger powder, cajun spice. What is it for? Hey. No, this is on purpose. You just decided to send in your page so that you give me headache this evening. Taking pictures of your spice. We don't know what the spice is. What is it for? How can you use it? How does it taste? Answers are just looking at you everywhere because this is a well-known industry. There's a lot of content on spices and you refuse to look at it. Why? Chamomile tea, lemon twist, tea masala. Just like that. The picture is not even looking straight. It has bent. In photography, there's only this or this. There's no in between. There's nothing like this. If you want to take picture like this or like this, do you want us to break our neck? Look at me looking at the picture like this. For somebody to even read it, I have to do. How about now? It's not fair. It is not fair. Look at the picture now. I have to do like this to view it. Come on. You can do better. That's why I'm here, to help you do better. Number one, always remember, videos are performing better than pictures. Nobody wants to sit down and look at your product picture. We don't care. We don't want to know. We don't want to see. That's number one. Very, very important. Video is better than pictures. That's number one. Number two, you're in the spice industry. Spice industry is a well-known industry. It has been here for decades. There are a lot of videos online that you can go and check. A lot of people are doing advert videos for spices. You don't have to even stress yourself that much. All you need to do is go on people's pages that are into spices. There are a lot of health benefits on these things. You can do a video educating us on the health aspect of your spices. This can do this, this can do that, this can do this. Look at Maggi. They'll do jollof rice. Without this one, Maggi is the secret ingredient. You too, you can do that now. It's not hard. You can do that. Give us health benefits of these things. Tell us, okay, this one cures this one does this. Scientific one, no, don't go and create the one that we don't know. Proven solutions, so don't go and create another one that people use and drag you. Don't call me after that one has happened though. Proven ones that is available online that people can easily go and Google and see that, okay, yes, you are telling the truth. You understand? Give us this health benefit and say, okay, if you want to order from me. Because we take time when we are doing our own, we blend it this one, we blend it that one, you know better. Do it that way. Get out of your comfort zone. Yes, pictures are very easy to do. Just check them and that's it. Video is a little bit harder. From your page, you prefer doing pictures. Do videos. If you must do pictures, do carousels. If you don't know what carousel is, Google it. Do carousels. Carousels basically is a series of pictures that tells a story. Do carousels instead. Carousels perform better than a single post. I hope with these few points I have helped. And if you want to be next, drop your handle in the comment section and make sure you subscribe and send it to somebody in need. Okay, see you next time.